at the world coordinate system. Okay, so what I want to do now is talk about a cylinder stock. Let's go ahead and open another part. So we have a 4-axis part, okay, which is we already have some operations defined, okay, and the part is oriented on the back corner of the part itself, okay. So if you want to define a cylinder stock and part cylinder stock are actually the same as the box stock and the part box stock. It's just using a cylinder instead of a box. So we'll do the cylinder stock. If you pick the copy model bounding box button, again, it will tell you the length and the radius of your part itself. And it places the stock in the extreme dimensions of the part itself. So it's snapped to the radius and it's snapped to the length. Okay, and here's a picture up here that just shows you what it's doing. And you can tell it what axis you want it to be aligned with. Okay, if you need to move it around in relation to your part, you can do that. Okay, and by setting the cylinders, create cylinder stock model, you can adjust the radius and the length. Let's go 1, okay? And then we'll go a length. We'll go a length, okay? So it made it 1 inch radius and 1.3 in length. And you'll see that it located it from the back side of the part, and the 1.3 goes in this direction, the length, okay? So with that stock defined as a cylinder, you can still use the align stock button. In other words, you can move it in relation to the cylinder and the part itself in the exact same way you can as if it was a box stock, okay? So I'm gonna leave it in the center, and I'm gonna leave it, it was aligned to the back side, which is the Midwest, okay? If you see that, let's go here. So it's aligned Midwest is this point, okay, on the west side, and you can see it up here as well. So you can just move it around in relation to the part. Okay, so in most cases, again, it'll just be center and center, okay, but sometimes you may want it to be aligned with one side, okay, so we got to align with the left side, okay. So again, that just works exactly the same way as the box stock works, okay.